Welcome back to this final round of Aircel Chennai Speaks Out. Should film stars stay away from politics? Do actors make good politicians? Do you believe, when I started off, do you believe that politics is all about acting without the grease paint?
Sir, but now I actually believe that actors can enter into the politics because the politicians are always afraid of the actors. They're afraid of the fame, they're afraid of the fan following, and they're afraid of the glamour. There's a main point that you're missing in this thing. There's a main point that you have to accept. They're afraid of the
Okay, Avi, I'm not talking about you, but are politicians insecure about
Absolutely not. Nobody's got any kind of envy against the popularity film stars have. In fact, the most popular people in this country are not film stars, it's the cricketers. So we are not envious of anybody's Listen,
not without the mic.
Listen to me.
To canvas the people.
Of course. See,
To attract the
politics is also about marketing. As you would have people.
Sportsman is coming to canvas the votes.
Of course, a lot of cricketers
Sportsmen enter politics also. Azharuddin has entered politics.
Are coming. Cinema people are calling even in the south or north.
No, the point is, my thesis is very clear. Anybody can enter politics. Actors are most welcome to enter politics. But if you ask me, do actors make successful leaders? I don't think that the track record doesn't suggest that actors do not make successful leaders. If there is going to be an actor to the exception to the rule, he's most welcome to do it and prove me wrong. But I don't see great evidence, particularly in Tamil Nadu, of actors becoming thought leaders.
Sir, actually, I disagree with my counterpart who said that the actors are inexperienced. Actually, experience doesn't come by birth. It progresses in a step-by-step manner.
Do you believe, Mr. Prasad, that sometimes the roles actors play, of evil bashers, good Samaritans, Robin Hood, that they're able to translate that into success at the ballot boxes?
No, I don't think so.
No.
I think that, see,
So the roles they play are immaterial.
No, I think because at that time there was
So the roles they play are immaterial, because if you
No,
compare
that time there was
Bollywood
a-
with Collywood here, a Shah Rukh Khan might probably play some certain
there was a
elitist roles.
mystery
But
about movies then. There was a mystery about movies. But now that mystery is gone because every movie has got at the end you have the making of the film is there. On a DVD or even at the end of the movie, they show that the mystery of movies is gone. And shooting is there at every down street and they see what's happening. Everyone knows what's a fight, what's this thing. They don't believe what's on screen. So that doesn't translate into
see,
words.
somebody raised a question about political messages in movies, in Vijay Kant's movies or Sarat Kumar's movies.
All movies there will be
Yeah.
messages in
So
the last
do you believe that helps? Does that help? It helped NTR to a great extent.
It helped even Rajinikanth when at one point of time when his movie, when he was pitted against Jayalalitha, his dialogues in the movie for certain 2-3 movies were taken and interpreted by his fans as against Jayalalitha. And it helped.
But he made a direct statement saying God cannot save Tamil Nadu. He made that statement
made that
in
and that
96.
was interpreted. But in dialogues,
The next election was disregarded by Tamil
And he
Nadu.
said it, and he again said it in 2000, but he couldn't repeat the phenomena.
There was an actor called Mr. J.K. Ritish. He acted in 3 movies. Mind you that he has a political background and all that stuff. What about the same treatment which is being given to a person who works from the grassroots level? He knows about, he's seeing, for example, a politician is having like 30 years of experience and he never contested an election, but he has a desire and attitude to serve the people.
J.K. Ritish
is not a
was
full
not
star.
given seat as an artist.
Yeah,
He is a basic member of DMK
That's all.
for
He's not an
for the past 20 years, or 15 years, more than.
Nobody
Does
sees
that
him as a
help?
star.
Does it help then when you join films to get a card?
He's not a star even now. He's not a star even now. Nobody considers him as a movie star. Nobody considers J.K. Ritish as a movie star.
see, likewise, if you say Napoleon, he has been an MLA and he lost to Shekhar. Before that, he was an MLA. He lost to Shekhar. Now he won the MP election. No, nobody considers DMK people, or neither does the Congress consider him as a
It is the manifesto
actor.
that speaks.
They
And
consider him as
the
a
alliance.
politician.
Mr. Ravi, do you believe sometimes, in fact, Ajit, part of that, in fact, one of the reasons why he actually came up with that outburst at this recent film felicitation function, he says, don't arm twist us to attend political functions. Or like we saw what happened with Kaveri, for instance. Well, it almost became politically correct for film stars to be associated with, with political issues, be it Kaveri, be it Hoganikal. Mr. Rajinikanth also spoke about Hoganikal, and then, of course, his movies were targeted across the border. Do you believe politicians should actually have that hands-off approach and not exert pressure on them to come for these rallies?
Actually, I'll call it a clarion call of the industry. The
But
industry.
not everybody agrees with Ajit.
No, people don't agree.
Because
but
the industry itself is politicized.
Maybe not publicly, but I think silently they all agree with it.
it is a clarion call. For the industry in another 10 years will very clearly know that it has got nothing to do with politics,
Is
but
that-
to take plots, themes, and content from the politicians.
Is that an irony,
nothing
Karthik?
else.
Is that an irony? An industry which is, the lines are very blurred between films and politics in Tamil Nadu. And that's the same, there are
It's not,
voices
sir,
within,
it's not-
within
it's
the
not.
same industry, they say
The
that
point
don't...
is, I think we are giving the film industry far too much importance than it deserves in Tamil Nadu politics. The film industry does not have such a great sway over politics in Tamil Nadu.
How can we, say that the same role that they have played in films, they will play in the real life in politics as well?
Mr. Napoleon is a very powerful villain and successful villain in films. But in personal life, he is a very good person.
There is no image trap.
Similarly, if everybody
No,
had
no,
got as a comedian, they would have never voted for him.
Mr. Prasad, you're saying there is
That
no
would have been a
image
big
trap at
joke.
all? They're not caught in that image trap?
No, I don't think. Like Shekhar is an example. He is a comedian, he's a very famous comedian. So who will vote for a comedian to run a...
Is he a comedian in the political
Become
arena
a big
as well?
joke.
Then why the politicians are using them as puppets, sir, during the election time? Why are you using as puppets?
No, listen to me. I'll tell you what. Actors charge money to come even open an ATM. And believe me, actors charge political parties to come for rallies also.
What about politicians? Politicians also to open an ATM, they probably charge money.
No, I've never heard of politicians charging, but actors
They insist on advertisements being given in newspapers, full page ads.
We are in the business of publicity. We need publicity.
Yes.
So generally film stars are used to add glitz and glamour to the election campaigns, and they're not used for the main thing. And what is they are, the people consider them as well-bred people, and they're not easily accessible by the common people. When people look at a film star, they look at them with awe and not as a common man. So they're not able to understand the problem. Whereas politicians, they know the grassroots level problems, and they know the harsh realities of the people. But a film star doesn't know that much as a politician knows.
He says there is a disconnect between the star-studded status of a star and the common man. So they say what she's trying to say is they relate better with politicians.
No. Basically, politicians, they move with the public. And artists, when they become a politician, they also move with the public, that's all.
Politicians, they know the grassroots level. They've been in politics and they've been working for the people, so they know the grassroots level problems of the people and harsh realities of the people. But what happens to the actors is they've been in the peak, and after the profession goes down slowly, they move into politics.
How can you think an artist cannot understand anything about the society? For any film, artists are reflecting in the society.
So mostly actors come to politics only after they start slowing down in their...
They are gaining experience from films and coming to politics.
So mostly actors...
politicians coming to the politics and trying to get the experience.
What I say is mostly actors come into politics only they slow down in their profession. So after they come, they are already well-bred.
So they will never take public money. You have to appreciate it.
All right, we are running out of time. Final few comments, yes.
So adding a valid point to my view that artists shouldn't get into politics is, as Karthik sir is saying from the beginning, that only two people from politics has become, two people from movie industry has become politicians now. Successful politicians now. This statement itself proves that was long ago. That was long ago when people were not educated as of now. So before they saw MGR and Jayalalitha as image stars, as MGR as a hero, so people in real life thought they were like. But now this is not the situation. You become you be a mass hero when you come into politics. They won't consider you as a hero in real life. You're just going to be a normal human being.
No. It's because now only Vijaykanth got 8% votes.
Why aren't film stars entering politics not becoming successful now? Absolutely. Why are film stars entering politics now not becoming successful?
Give
me an answer for this question.
Most film stars are failures
to actually make the mark.
How many people are entering?
Karthik, Sarath Kumar.
Except,
yeah, okay. Mr. Prasad, popularity versus populism. Do you believe that popular schemes of a government or of a politician, a well-established political party, can popularity of a film star ever match up to that?
No.
It cannot? No.
Because I believe that...
And you believe that the problem lies there, that's one of the reasons why the politicians can have them for breakfast?
See, it's not having them for breakfast, but the thing is that the time is there when if any of the stars with a considerable clout wants to join a party, they'd be given a very big post, which even a person for 30 years working that party will never get it.
Yeah, final comment from the, yes.
Karthi sir, you made a comment that you use film stars as marketing, even you need marketers.
Absolutely.
If you need a film star to market you, you pay him crores of rupees to market you, then where is your credibility as a politician? You should get the votes on your credibility of your work, sir.
Listen to me.
And secondly,
let me respond.
No, sir, I'm not asking you a question. I'm just telling.
I don't want to. I have to respond.
Yes, just one more thing.
I have to respond.
And you said about grassroots levels. Okay, fine. We all youngsters. We are 18. I have crossed 21. I finished my degree 2 months. I want to enter politics. Can you just tell me what is the grassroots where I need to go?
I'll answer both your questions.
Definitely, sir.
I'll answer both your questions. No, sir, please. I do not know your name. I will answer both your questions.
Definitely, sir.
Political parties use film stars during campaigns, because during campaigns is a 30 days of intensive blitzkrieg. You need to attract attention, you need to make a little noise, you need to crowd the crowds. But those 30 days are not the only time a politician reaches out to the people. Political parties definitely use movie stars, because in order to, at the time of just making a little bit of a tamasha, getting a little attention, but listen to me, but we are not, our election victory and defeat is not based on the fact of this movie star coming and campaigning for you. It is not. Listen to me.
Yes, I can prove this.
No, listen to me. I will prove it. It is not based on that. During election rallies,
money paid is disclosed to the election commission as to how much you pay the film stars.
It's a party's paid. I'm sure the Congress party has got good accounts which we are all declaring. I don't know about other political parties. The Congress party definitely has.
This is holier than thou.
There's nothing holier than thou. We are an open party, and I'm proud to say that. Let's not say that. But during election campaigns, just because you're using somebody doesn't mean your entire political agenda or ideology is based on that. Of course, you need a little bit of razzmatazz during election campaigns. As far as a young person joining politics, the Youth Congress for the first time opened its membership out to everybody. There was a process in which you could become members. There are 12 lakh people from Tamil Nadu under the age of 35 who become members. You can go look up that website, www.iyc.tn. You will see the 12 lakh people's names with photographs. They are people from villages, they are grassroots level people. They are not inheritors like me, they are members of the Youth Congress. So there is a process. I'm sure other political parties have it, but I don't know, I can't speak for them. But the Congress party, the Youth Congress, has a system in which you can become a member. Yes, of course we use movie stars, but movie stars do not lead our party. I do not believe movie stars will be successful politicians in the years to come in Tamil Nadu.
Thank you, sir, for accepting the fact that you use movie stars for the glitter and the drama.
During the campaign.
We don't want glitter drama by the film stars. We can see them on the screen. We want leaders. Politicians means leaders. If politicians
my friend, listen to me,
listen to me,
my friend.
Listen, get in the vote, then it's very sorry for us, sir.
My friend, I don't know whether you have attended a political rally.
I have attended, sir.
Okay, a political rally sometimes starts at 7 p.m. In order to mobilize the crowd at 4 o'clock, in order to entertain them, we have a little bit of entertainment. We have a band playing, people play songs, they play popular movie songs, maybe a movie artist comes and sings, something like that. It is just to keep the crowd entertained until the main political show happens. That's exactly what happens in every political party. And we are not apologetic about doing it. It is merely good crowd management and making sure
that we using film stars then as like cheerleaders and IPL
absolutely,
matches?
Absolutely. That's all. That's all.
That's all the time we have for on SL Chennai Speaks Out. Should stars change their stripes? This debate can go on and on. Do let us know what you think. You can email us to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. From all of us here on the SL Chennai Speaks Out team, thank you for watching us. We'll see you again next week at the same time.